Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss MCQ type question number 17 that has been taken from Miscellaneous Exercise Chapter 4 Determinants NCERT 12 Mathematics. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then determinant that elements of first row x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2 elements of second row x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 2, elements of third row x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2c is here. There are four options available here. Out of these four options, only one option is correct. Option A 0, option B 1, option C x, option D 2x. Here you can see in the question itself, it is given A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. So here I shall discuss about what is arithmetic progressions. Here I shall write solution. Imply that. Here I have written solution imply that. Here it is given. It is given that A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means if A, B, C are there in arithmetic progression, then first term, here first term A, first term A, first term is equal to A, comma, last term is equal to C, and common difference is equal to common difference is equal to B minus A is equal to C minus B. Since here A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, Samanantar series, then first term will be A, last term will be C, and common difference B minus A. B minus A equal to C minus B. So here I shall write common difference B minus A equal to C minus B. So here I shall write common difference imply that B minus A equal to C minus B, imply that B minus A equal to C minus B. So here you can see minus B is there in right hand side. That will be moved back to left hand side. It will become 2B equal to A plus C. This thing it will become. If you do the operation here, just multiplied here 2, so comes out to here 2 times of 2e. So here comes out to be 2 times 2a plus 2c comes out to be. So here you will get 4b equal to 2 in bracket a plus c comes out to be. Minus b there in right hand side, that will be moved back to left hand side. It will become 2b equal to minus a is there in left hand side, that will be moved back to right hand side. It will become minus b, here comes out to be plus b, plus b plus b comes out to 2b. Here minus a will go to right hand side, it will become plus a. C it will come to 2b equal to a plus c. Just twice of 2b comes out to twice of 2b equal to twice of in bracket a plus b comes out to be 2a plus 2c. 4b equal to 2 times of in bracket a plus c comes out to be. So here you got. Now think over the date here. Here I shall write given date equal to date elements of first row I shall write x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2a. Elements of third row, elements of first row I have written x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2a. Elements of second row I shall write x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 2b. Elements of third row I shall write x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2c. I written like this. Now think over this date here. Here I shall use tricks of properties in the determinant. In this determinant. Here you can see in second row. So just what to do in this case? Twice of second row. So twice of second row, here you get 2x, here you will get 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6, and here 4 plus 2 comes out to here 6. So here it will be twice of x plus 3 comes out to here 2x plus 6 minus this one 4 plus 2 comes out to here 6, comes out to here 0. So here I shall use the property by using the property R2 goes to twice of R2, 2 times of R2, 2 times of R2. So 2 times of R2 if you do, you will get here 2x plus 6 minus R1 minus R3. So this property I shall use here. If you do the operation here, the R2 goes to, if I take the element of R2 as x plus 3, so here write 2 in bracket x plus 3 minus R1, the corresponding element of x plus 3 in the first row is x plus 2. So here write minus x minus 2 minus the corresponding element of x plus 3 in the third row is x plus 4. So here write minus x minus 4. Just simplify this one. You will get here R2 goes to 2x plus 6. 2 will multiply to x, comes out to here 2x plus, and 2 will multiply to 3, comes out to here 6. Here minus x and minus x will be added together. We will get here minus 2x. Here minus 2 minus 4 will added together. You will get here minus 6. So plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled out, and also plus 6 minus 6 will cancelled out. Here get R2 goes to 0 will get. So in place of 0, in place of x plus 3 will comes out to here 0. So by using property R2 goes to 2 times of R2 minus R1 minus R3. This property I shall use. So you will get here R2 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the second row. There will be no changes in first row and third row. So here I shall write elements of first row will be written as it is x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2. And here you have got, in place of x plus 3, in place of x plus 3, R2 comes out to 0. So here I 0. And what changes will occur? And here you can see what change is going to be occur. Here R2 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the second row. There will be no changes in the first row. The first row I have written as it is, and third row there will be no changes in third row also. The third row will also be written as it is. So here write x plus 4, here write x plus 5, here write x plus 2c. Here you have got 0. Think about this element. What elements will be? So here, if you do the operation here, R2 goes to 2 times of R2 minus R1 minus R3. R2 goes to 2 times of R2. If I take the element of R2 as x plus 4, so here write x plus 4 minus R1, the corresponding element of x plus 4 in the first row is x plus 3. So here write minus x minus 3. And also the corresponding element of x plus 4 in the third row will be x plus 5. So here write minus x minus 5. Just simplify this one. R2 goes to 2 times of x plus 4. If you simplify this one, you will get here 2x plus 8. 4 2 is 8. You will get plus will be there and 2x will get. Here you will get minus x minus 3 minus x minus 5. So comes out to be R2 goes to, here you will get minus x or plus 2x comes out to here 0, and here plus 8 or minus 3 minus 5 comes out to here minus 8, comes out to here 0. So you will get 0. So here I shall write 0. Using this property we will get here 0. And also think what thing will be here. If I take the element of R2 as x plus 2b, So here write R2 goes to 2 times of R2. Elements of R2, if I take x plus 2b, so here write x plus 2b minus the corresponding element of x plus 2b in the first row is x plus 2a. So here minus x minus 2a will be written, and the corresponding element of x plus 2b in the third row is x plus 2c. So here write minus x minus 2c will be written. So here you will get R2 goes to 2 will multiply to x, comes out to here 2x, plus 2 will multiply to 2, comes out to here 4. So here write 4b. Minus x will be added together. You will get here minus 2x. And minus 2a I shall write here. Minus 2a minus 2c I shall write like this. Plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled out. We will get here R2 goes to 4b. If I take here minus common, 4b minus 2a minus 2c. This thing will get. So what to do next? This thing. In place of R2, I can write here very well 4b minus 2a minus 2c. This thing will come. Now here you can see this one. So here I can write very well. Since A, B, C are in AP, hence 2b equal to A plus C comes out to be. Implied that twice of 2b comes out to here 4b equal to 2a plus 2c comes out to be. Implied that 4b minus 2a minus 2c comes out to 0. Four b minus 2a minus 2c comes out to here 0. So here rest daily 4b minus 2a minus 2c comes out to here 0. So here I can write date equal to x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2a. Here you will get 0, 0, 0. Because in place of 4b minus 2a minus 2c, so here you can see 4b minus 2a minus 2c equal to 0. So in place of this term I can put here 0. Second row will be 0. So here write x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2c. This thing will get. So here I can write very well, since R2 is 0. Since second row R2 is 0, hence date equal to 0. This will be the answer. Date equal to 0. This means that Which option is correct? Option A. Option A is correct here. So here I shall write answer implied that A 0 is correct answer. This is the rough work I have done here. To just make a simple cross here, this is the rough work I have done here. So from this place to this place, simple cross like this you can do. For calculation purpose I have do. You can show this thing, rough work is also get evaluated in board exam. To make sure that at the left page you must perform some rough works, so that examiner may also give some numbers on rough work also. So just make a cross here, you will get also some number in rough work also. So this is the proper explanation and solution of question number 17. Miscellaneous exercise chapter 4. Determinant NCERT 12 mathematics. This is one of the important questions that may be asked in board exam. 12 board NCERT board exam 2021. So make note of it. Okay guys, thanks.